With Git you can clone bear then cd into the project and push a mirror. This will push only certain parts of the repo. To clone from Git to Azure DevOps, you can import a Git repo. Squash merging is a merge option that allows you to condense the Git history. Explicit merge is not for this. Explicit extends the merge history. Path fiddlers allow you to exclude certain folders from a trigger. The setting for automatically watch repos and teams needs to be turned off if you want to reduce notifications. Cobertura and Jacoco are supported code coverage systems. Also Coverlet, Nunit, and Coverage.py. To implement a project which requires a pipeline to execute based on a query, you have to edit the pipeline, enable gates, and add query work items to it. You can also modify the integration options for a pipeline so that the release information is added to the work items associated to it commit. Create a repo, create a fork, and add a build policy. This helps protect important branches. If you want to pin a specific commit, create a tag pointing to that commit, then pin that to the tag. If you want to use a fixed version of template, reference the branch you want to access. Microsoft Resource Deployment is used for referencing a secret with a dynamic IC, and template link is for passing parameters. You can set secrets in the pipeline editor. To share secrets in a project, you can use a vault and create a variable group in a project. Git rebase allows to clean up the commit history in the main branch. ARM templates reduce effort to deploy machines, and DSC helps with a uniform state. Personal access tokens are a form of authentication for Azure DevOps. Application Insights has user flows for feature usage monitoring, count users for user behavior analytics, and impact for load times. Application Insights also contains availability tests to check for status codes. Application Insights supports bot fixed rate and adaptive sampling. By default, it uses adaptive. To modify the rate, you have to usage the Usage and Estimated Cost Settings tab. To set up Application Insights, you need to create an Application Insights resource and give it a name, then launch Visual Studio Code, Solution Explorer, add Application Insights telemetry. To keep costs down for telemetry data, you can disable adaptive sampling, and use fixed rate sampling instead. Fixed rate reduces the volume of dataset, as you can set the rate,